click on yes, that's what happened. Okay. Alright, since we've taken care of the exit, let's take care of the reset button. So let's start by txt bacon dot clear. Alright, so that clear is set. Let's see what other txt we have there. We have txt chicken mail, another txt there. Let's clear that as well. txt, let's clear that. And delivery, let's clear delivery as well. Paste. I think we may have LBLs. Yes, we do. Convert, clear. LBL, we seems to have a couple of those. Display. Okay. Oh, L. Okay, with the LBLs, that is text actually. So let's change that to dot text. Now undo that. Yeah, that's fine. Come right down here. Dot text right there equals. Just get rid of that. And why do we have error here? Dot clear. Let's just get rid of that and take care of this first, then we'll go back to that. Alright, this is sorted. Let's find out why the txt delivery is giving error. Txt delivery dot clear. Maybe there's nothing like txt delivery. I'll have a look at that. Okay, so continue with the LBLs. We got drink, paste, LBL dot sold drinks, LBL amount, LBL cost, LBL. That's inside the calculator. Okay, but we can still use that anyway. Then we also have LBL drinks, LBL. We have total, subtotal, LBL task, LBL total, and I think that's about it. Let's see, do I have LBL? Okay, that's about it. Now let's verify this txt delivery. Do we have dot text? I don't think we have txt delivery, so let's get rid of that and just have a look. No, we don't have txt delivery, but we do have this. Okay, so if I run the program now, let's run it and just enter some data in there and see what will happen. Enter whatever value here. We can always clear that. No, clear. Okay, the clear works. Exit. Yes, exit. Exit works as well. Okay, the next thing is, let's start with the calculation, but first of all, you see these three text box. I want to be able to cache any error in there. So let's come into the tools right here. I thought I had error provider before. Let's come back, error provider, there we go. And right underneath here you'll see it. So I would then double click on this. Let me double click on this, and right there let's declare the following integers. Let's call it number of order. Okay, so let's use an if statement. If, okay, let's say if int, I think maybe I should just make this, let me just, so that I can read it properly. Let's make that lowercase and this uppercase. Alright, if int dot, let's say try plus, okay, equals txt, that is a chicken burger dot text. Okay, so that's fine. Let's say out, let's say comma out, right, and if it's number order, let's copy that. So that is fine. Then we enter a curly braces here, and that will be error provider dot clear. So that is fine. Else, let's say, oh, right here, and do that. I'll come right down here and just say else. Right there we have error provider dot set. Let's set the error as right beside txt chicken burger, comma, okay, let's enter the following message. Enter a number, or enter a valid data, or a number, that's fine. Okay, so I'm gonna rid of that now. Let's check out. Okay, that's fine. So let's just try it out, because what I'm saying is if you dare enter maybe an invalid data in there, that's supposed to be number anyway, and we will get an error message or something will indicate that you need to enter data in there. Let's try it out. Okay, the system is running now. I will then enter an invalid data in there. Just click on this. You see that pops up telling you you have an error in there. Okay, and if you over your mouse on it, it's telling you enter a number. Supposing we enter a number and click, you see that disappears, so that's fine. So we can repeat that for 1, 2, and the rest of this component here are all labels, so we don't need it. We just need it for 3 of those. Okay, so we can always just copy and find out the name of the other 3. Check this out. If you notice, I have a bracket here, one here, and I've covered it with 2 other brackets. Alright, I can just copy. Let's copy that and paste it right underneath here for the other 2. Paste and come down here, paste. Now I need the names of those. I have one here that is for the cheeseburger. I'll just come right down here, change this, and change this one as well. Paste this one more, That is it right there. Okay, paste and paste. Okay, let's try run this system again and see how that will work anyway before we continue the calculation. We enter anyhow data in there, click. You see that, guys, it's telling you you've entered an incorrect value, so which means it's clear. Now we can just, there's something missing here that shouldn't happen. So if we enter the correct data there, okay, that's fine. Let's try to sort this out. That's not supposed to disappear. Yep, let's see what was there. Okay, I have 1, 2. So let's find out the names of these two components there. Click on this. What is that component called? Okay, LBL main, and the other one is called LBL drink sold. So let's come in here, LBL drink sold. This one, comment it out, and this one, comment those ones out. So let's run it again and see. Click. Oh, I've commented the wrong one. This one is still there. So let's find out the name of that very one again. Click on that, and what is the name? LBL sold drink. Sold drink. LBL sold drink. Sold drink. There we go. And it's not this one. Run it again. Reset. Oh, this one disappeared, so let's put that one back. We want that to be default as 0. Okay, right there. Comment that out. We don't want that affected. Save that. So I might as well just delete these 3. Okay, if I notice there's still going to be an error here, we've already taken care of this, that's fine. But right here, this error, there's an error because I intend, if you check on this, you have to check on this and be able to select that. Okay, so one thing to prevent those errors, I will first of all set value of 0 to those 3 text boxes. So let's just enter zeros in there for that, and align it all to right. Okay, now in here I need to get the names of each of these checkbox, and let's come in here, come into the code. You see right here. So let's enter and this dot checked. Okay, so we need to repeat the same thing for this one, and that's supposed to be CHK making dot checked. Let's make it true anyway. Yeah, let's copy that as well, and finally let's take care of this one as well, and CHK, that's chicken burger meal dot checked equals true. Okay, so if I run it, let's run it and see what will happen. Okay, let's say we then, if we click and enter that, what will happen? What about this? We have not selected that, that is why. Okay, we have an error here, and all right, yeah, it's working as we want. So let's say we get rid of all of that and just enter 0, maybe 5 here. Okay, that's fine. So we can do something with the calculation now. Reset. Okay, if we reset, we need to set those back to default 0. So let's come back down here and just reset those 3 to 0 default. Instead of clear, we now need it all to be 0. Paste. Now be 0 here. Undo that. Let's copy this. Now be 0 as well. And this will be alright. So when we clear, those 3 are now taken care of. Okay, and clear, that's it. Alright. Okay, now let's take care of the main calculation of whatever mail is ordered.